Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sindhu. Listen to me carefully. A great resume is not written in a day or a week. If you think you can just sit down the night before placements, download a random template, magically get a top-tier job, you are dreaming. Your 2 years of post-graduation are not just for passing exam, it is your golden window to build an unbeatable profile. Today I'm giving you the exact 10-point blueprint to turn your resume from a boring piece of paper into a magnet for top recruiters. Let's build your future step by step. Welcome to Learn with Dr. Sindhu. Remember this fundamental rule. Your degree gets you the interview, but your resume gets you the offer letter. Let's look at this step-by-step checklist to make sure your profile stands out from day one. So, point 1, leadership and volunteering. Don't just sit on the backbench. When your college organizes camps, national conferences, department clubs, educational tours, or college day celebrations, take leadership roles, manage the crowds, or do core volunteer work. Recruiters love leaders. When you write, manage a budget of 50,000 for the college fest, it proves you have real world problem solving skills. Point 2, present papers and get published. Don't just read textbooks. Pick current trending topics in your field and write paper presentations for national or international conferences. Aim to get published in prestigious journals or magazines. It instantly proves you are smart, well-read, and intellectually superior to 95% of other freshers. You aren't just a student, you are a researcher. Point 3, participate in stage and talent competition. Participate in everything. State theatre, mime, quizzes, or public speaking competitions. Win or lose, doesn't matter. Just get on that stage. HR roles require massive confidence and communication. Standing on a stage proves you don't have stage fright and can command a room. Point 4, do original trending projects. Please, I beg you, do not copy, paste, or outsource your college projects. Take them seriously. Pick a trending burning issue related to your career interest. This is not just a college assignment. This is your golden ticket. Companies ask intense questions about your project. If you did it honestly, you will shine. If you copied it, you are caught. And your project shows how much you are knowledgeable and interested in current field. Point 5, get professional memberships. Get membership in professional associations related to your field. Participate in the weekend programs, webinars, and networking events to get certified. It shows recruiters you are serious about your profession even outside your college hours. Plus, the networking there can land you hidden jobs. Point 6, build a credible LinkedIn presence. Stop using social media just for scrolling reels. Create a professional LinkedIn profile right now. Don't just leave it blank. Start making credible, smart posts about what you are learning in class. Your experiences and learning in internships, small articles, because recruiters check your LinkedIn profile before they interview you. A clean, active profile makes you look incredibly professional. Point 7, intern at prestigious organizations. When it's time for fieldwork or internship, don't look for the easy way out. Target prestigious, well-known organizations. When you get in, don't just sit in a corner. Get involved. On your resume, clearly mention your exact learnings and your hands-on involvement. A big company name on your resume acts like a stamp of quality. Point 8, do mini projects during internships. Here is a secret bonus hack. While you are doing your internship or fieldwork, don't just do what they tell you. Ask your supervisor if you can conduct a mini project or survey for them. This gives you massive added weightage. It shows you have an analytical mind and didn't just do basic data entry during your internship. Point 9, secure supervisor testimonial. When your internship or fieldwork ends, don't just say goodbye. Ask your supervisor or agency head for a formal testimonial or a letter of recommendation praising your work. Because when an industry expert writes, this student is brilliant, hard worker, highly reliable, a recruiter will believe them instantly. It is concrete proof of your work ethic. Point 10. Master industry-specific software. The modern corporate world runs on technology. Learn actual HRIS softwares, modern payroll tools, or social research softwares like SPSS based on your career plan. It shows you are technically sound and won't need basic training when you join. You become a plug and play asset for the company. Look at this list on your screen right now. I am going to repeat this because it's important. You cannot build this in a week. You need to build this gradually, starting right from your very first semester. Your 2-year post-graduation is a countdown timer. Every single day counts. Are you ready to stop making excuses and start building a strong resume? Tell me in the comments which of these 10 points you are going to start working on this week. Share this video with your classmates, hit that subscribe button, and we'll meet you with another learning here on Learn with Dr. Sindhu.